Welcome to paradise. Hi, I'm Dawn with Straightaway Travel, and I'm at Sandals Ochi Beach Resort in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. And today I'm giving you an exclusive look inside one of its crown jewels. This is the one-bedroom, poolside Butler Villa Suite, NV1 category. Standing inside the one-bedroom layout, with a separate living area, modern furnishings, classic island decor, and all the comforts of home, plus a few you didn't even know you needed. And let me tell you, if you're looking for privacy, comfort, and top-tier service, you have found it. Now this is your pantry stocked with a coffee maker and Blue Mountain Jamaican coffee. Here is your premium liquors of your choice, and a fridge that is stocked full of all kinds of goodies and restocked every day. That sounds so lovely. This Butler Village is nestled inside the hillside with semi-private pools and lush gardens. Now, let's take a look into the private bedroom sanctuary. Features a large plush-size king bed, plenty of storage that your butler will be happy to put all your clothes away for you, or even iron your clothes for dinner at night, and all while you rest in your complimentary robe and slippers. Doesn't that sound amazing? Next, we're going to take a look into the ensuite bathroom, which is pure indulgence. Marble vanities, and even your Red Lane spa products that are complimentary to the room. And look at this walk-in shower. All these luxury amenities just for you that Sandals provides. And you don't even need to bring a hairdryer. It's provided for you. Next, let's take a look outside with your semi-private pool just steps away from the villa. With a patio, this is perfect for morning coffee or even evening cocktails with friends. This suite is ideal for group getaways. Imagine 3 or 4 couples booking adjacent villas with a pool right outside your door. Private, yet connected with both, giving you the best of both worlds. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like and subscribe to more luxury travel insights. Contact me, Dawn with Straightaway Travel, or your Straightaway Travel agent to get you booked today. See you in paradise.